Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Ameris Online Banking application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download the Ameris mobile banking application on your mobile device and start banking, then here's how to do it. First, make sure that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data and tap open your app store. Go to the search box and type in Ameris Bank and search. Once you find the application that says Ameris Bank Personal Mobile, tap on the Get button in order to download the application. You can also download the Ameris Bank Business Mobile application. Make your choice according to your online banking account type and download the application like you normally do. Once the application is started downloading, wait until it finishes. With your Ameris Bank mobile banking application, you can start banking wherever you are, right from your mobile devices. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Open to launch Open the app, and that is how you'll be able to download Ameris Bank Online Banking application right on your mobile device. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.